Oh yeah, oh yeah, you know it is.
The most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you're back for another video, what's up, bag babe? Thank you for hitting that subscribe button and ringing this bell, ding, because you just love all these mystery bundle videos. Give this video a big like, because if we get to 100, I'll probably go ahead and do this giveaway. If you want to know about all the fun stuff that are happening on this channel after the unboxing, stay tuned. I'll fill you in on my giveaways, all that fun stuff. All right, so let's get to it. So bag babes, in order for you to get this mystery bundle, it is $28, but it's valued at $75 plus. You have to go ahead and party up with one of your 31 consultants. Feel free to reach out to me. Get yourself a link, share with a few friends and family, maybe have a party, whatever it looks like. This thing unlocks for you when your party becomes qualified. So that's $200 or more. Mystery bundle is available for those rewards. I got this bundle from my last video that I unboxed with my brother, linking it up above just for you, so you guys can get some entertainment. And you know, I was like, why wait for him? Let's just go ahead and get to it, because I know you bag babes want to know what is in this. And again, if you love 31, if you love surprises, if you are open to all possibilities, mystery bundle is for you. If it's not what you were expecting, hey, if it's okay for you guys to give this as a great gifting idea, mystery bundle is for you. But for you bag babes who are particular about the color, that has to match, aren't quite sure, or don't like surprises, because there are bag babes that don't like surprises, mystery bundle is probably not the way to go. But it always is a great gifting option. So if you have something coming up and you're like, I don't know what to get them, hey, unlock the mystery bundle, and then you can either decide to keep it or gift it. Mystery bundle comes in numbers. This is number mystery hostess bundle 2, 3, 5. What is it? What is it? Will I like it? There's one. I think I've seen this one. I've seen this one online already. 1, 2 thing. Will I like it? I have 2 things to select. This feels like that pocket. I think I know what it is. All right, you guys have to get to we have to get this video to 100 likes, because your girl already has this set. Look, see, here's my helper right here. He's showing it to you what I already have. If you don't know what this is a step up taupe in the camo, one of our great top crossbodies that actually came out last season. I'm going to go ahead and quickly show it to you guys. I already have this one. All right. If you were to personalize it, it would go right here. This front pocket is super big for a Kindle, iPad, a notebook can fit in here. It is made of the canvas material with the faux leather straps. Yes, you have that fun cell phone pocket holder right there. This is an arm candy. Hey, I'm like matching. What are the odds? Arm candy or crossbody. And on the inside, you just have that one huge pocket right here. You do have, like I said, this front pocket. It's really big. All right. Super fashion forward purse. It is stiff. So for those bag babes that like more of a structure, I think this bag can totally sit up on its own. This is the bag for you. Then this is called the Snap To It pouch. You've seen this on the channel again, the antique brass. I love this because you could probably snap it right there. See how cute that is? If you know Bath and Body Works, antimicrobial little thingies right here, they fit right here. But I could do AirPods. You could stick a mask. There are a lot of other fun things that you could stick in here. Maybe some hair ties, just for you to have in convenience. Maybe if you have like a small key set, you could stick it in here too. All right. So that is the mystery bundle. One way you guys can go ahead and grab it is to get into my December mystery hostess. I have it every month. I am trying to shoot for 500. I'm crossing my fingers. We are not quite there, but December is still to come, okay? Now, if your shopping list is getting huge, and you want the rewards all to yourself, let me know. I can quickly make you a link and we can get you racking up those rewards. You can choose to go ahead and have a party, share it with your friends and family. Again, it's up to you. Now, if you really love everything, come on in, join the fun, get 25% off commission or a discount on top of all your shopping. We are looking for leaders and consultants alike. There is so much opportunity with 31, and I would love and honored to be one of those to go ahead and showcase you to however big or small your journey takes you. I'm so excited to show you how to get there. I got to the top level of the company by helping onboarding new consultants. So let's do this, bag babes. If you want outlet sale information, comment outlet down below. I can totally get you all the info when we get the official word that the outlet, winter outlet, you know it's coming around, is out and about. I will see you on Saturday during Bag Babe TV when we go live, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time, and we'll go ahead and play a game this Saturday. I hope you Bag Babes are enjoying Vlogmas, and this is it for Vlogmas 9.
The most famous reindeer of all,
Charles.
Rudolph the red